seagull puts Pro's golf ball in the water.
I think, we have a new hazard at 17. Look at this. I believe that's the ball of Steve Lowry. I think,
Just laughing.
well, I think Lowry's indicating to the bird he ought to move it the other direction, closer to the hole.
It's amazing that a player would go to this length to train a bird to get it close to the hole, Gary.
Well, obviously, Steve Lowry will be forced to move the ball back as near as possible to its location since, look at this, he's moved it all around the green. Now he Yep, we've got it. We have liftoff. Oh!
Does that count as an official ball in the water?